Howdy, folks. Today we're talking about a DIY Cayenne Salve for those achy joints. This homemade salve uses the heat from cayenne pepper and ginger to help improve blood flow and ease pain. Peppermint oil adds a cooling and soothing touch, making this a powerful remedy for sore joints. What you'll need for this recipe is 2 cups of olive oil, a half cup of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 ounces of beeswax, and 1 teaspoon of peppermint essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1, infuse the oil. In a slow cooker set to low, mix the olive oil, red pepper flakes, and ginger. Let it heat for 4 to 6 hours. Step 2, strain the mixture. Pour the oil through a strainer into a glass measuring cup or a container with a spout. Throw away the leftover solids. Step 3, add beeswax. While the oil is still warm, stir in the beeswax until it melts completely. Step 4, add peppermint oil. Mix in the peppermint essential oil right before pouring the salve into clean jars. Label and date the jars. Step 5, store and use. Keep the salve in a cool, dark place and use it within 6 to 9 months. To apply, use a clean spoon or stick to scoop out the salve and spread it on your skin. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.